Hi, my name is Cem Vardar. I'm the builder of locationanalyzer.com. And today I want to introduce you our new tool, Neighborhood Analyzer Unlimited. So this tool is developed for helping prospective home buyers to find the best neighborhoods for their new home. And to help with that, we have built this system that provides you demographic data. So when you are buying a house, which is one of the most important financial decisions and also like personal decisions that you make, you want to understand like the makeup of the demographic makeup of the neighborhood that you are going to move in, right? So you want to make an informed decision. So what our tool provides is like for any like candidate home that you are looking for, if you put in the address in a few seconds, it's going to provide age, income, family size, family type, and race insights for your locations. And then you'll be able to compare your current neighborhood with a prospective home, or you can compare like two homes that you are thinking about buying and understand the differences in those neighborhoods, right? So this is our page, and then once you buy our tool, what you are going to get is uh, this page, and then in this page, the use of the tool is very easy. You have to like put in like two addresses or one single address on here. And we recommend like putting two addresses. And once you click analyze address, what you'll be able to get is like all of these reports for you to analyze. And those reports are also like shown on this page. You can look at the race comparisons. Like for example, in these two addresses that we are looking, there is not much race difference. So the first one is like a little bit like Asian. The second one is like household types, family households versus non-family households. So here, like you see like a more significant distance, like the second location, which is in Gilbert, Arizona, is like in a more suburban place, and then the first address is like closer to Arizona State University, so there is like less family households there, right? So this gives you like a really nice way to compare, like if you are going to have like more families around, or you are going to have like more single people around. Another way to look at it is like looking at the family sizes. Like what you can do is like you can see that like the first alternative, like the one in Tempe, has more one-person households versus the Gilbert location, and then you see like there is like larger families in the alternative too, right? And so this gives you again an idea about like what type of neighborhood that you are like this house is in, right? And then we have these plots that shows the population, average age, and average income by miles ranges. So we have like more information about like how to read in another video. And then also you can look at the population map, income map, and then age map here around the two locations. So for example, in income map, like you can see like the green areas are like higher income areas, and then red ones are lower income areas. Again, the first location has like more lower income areas compared to the second one, and then you can zoom and zoom in out here. Like you can see that there is like this location is sort of like in the middle of like a little bit there's like nicer house like in to the west of it, and then there is like a little bit maybe lower income families to the east of it, right? So this gives you really detailed information about like the makeup of the neighborhoods and so on. And then the same thing with age, like so you can look at uh, uh, like what type of areas are there, and then you can see that there is like some like younger areas to the north, but then like there is sort of like older people live to the south of the neighborhood, and then you can zoom in, and then these are the most detailed stats that you can get from the census bureau, right? So there is usually like I don't know, maybe like 1,000 people, 2,000 people living here, so you can understand where your house falls in these areas. Hopefully this helps to understand how to use our tool and then how to read the results. Send me a question in the email address that I have on the website if you have any. Thank you for listening.